So over here you can see that I have a table generated from query design, and if I were to go around over here and if I want to filter out the data, let's say I just want to display out the expertise of which the letters start from A. So in order to do that, I can go on to the view option right here onto the query design, and over here I'm going to go to expertise and I'm going to enter something called wildcard. So I want data that starts from A, and then after A I don't care what it is, so I'm just going to add in an asterisk right here and then just go around, click outside. So it says like A asterisk. That means that the first letter should be A, and then after that it doesn't matter which letter it comes from. So if I were to go to view right here, now you can see that Access and After Effects are the only data that actually pops up right there. So you can go around over here and similarly you can add asterisks on the beginning as well and so forth. So let's say I want to filter it out in another way again. So now let's say I want the data that starts with W right here. Go on to view, and now it is Windows 11 and Word, as you can see. But what if I want only 3 characters after W? So instead of asterisks, what I can do is I can add in 3 question marks, which means that there should be exactly 3 characters after W. So if I were to go to view right here, only Word pops up because it has 3 characters afterwards, as you can see right here. And that is how you can add in wildcards to your criteria inside of a query design area inside of Microsoft Access. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.